The tea on that is I have boho braids under this wig. They are tucked in the back of my... Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video. And big thank you to UNice Hair for sponsoring this video. Now let's jump into this look. In this video, I'm going to show you how I install and quickly style this glueless curly blonde highlight bob from UNice via Amazon. All links and details will be down below. Any products that I use will be down in the description box. Going to give you a few specs on this hair before we get into the install. This is a 7x5 glueless HD lace closure wig. This is completely glueless. There is silicone grip all around the inside as well as the middle. It's a non-slip grip. There's also a drawstring in the nape with an upgraded adjustable strap with a comb in the nape. With all of those put together, you don't need any glue. I mean, some of us just like to do glues and sprays, but personally me, I love a good spray. But with this, they've made it so that you can wear this completely glueless. I also love the fact that this wig is very affordable. It is starting at $124 for the 10-inch. You can get it in a 14-inch, and the 14-inch goes up to $164. This is also available through Amazon Prime. So if you're in a crunch for time, you can get your wig to the door, okay? But yeah, I'm loving this. I would probably tone this a little bit. I don't know. I want to show you what this looks like completely dry and then how we style it. So I'm going to jump into the install, and I do come back to talk to you a little bit at the end. So definitely stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like this video. Big shout out to UNice, and I'll see you in a little bit.
Feeling inside. Ain't this supposed to be painless? Then why am I so anxious? I wish we could. How do you feel? Is it anything like I feel? Is it anything like I feel? Should I chill? How do you feel? Is it anything like I feel? Is it anything like I feel? I want you to stay with me. I need you by my side.
So while I am trying to flatten out this wig, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the wig. I'm using my scarf because I felt like it was a little too big, but the tea on that is I have boho braids under this wig, but I tried to stuff them. You see that? They are tucked in the back of my goddamn jacket. Okay? We're going to talk about this wig. So the details and specs on this one, this is a glueless curly bob, honey blonde highlight. It comes in a side part. This is a 7x5 lace closure, pre-plucked with pre-bleach knots. There's a drawstring. It's a ready to wear and it's 180 density. You can get this from 10 inches all the way up to 14. So the 10 inch starts at 124. It's 124.30. The 12 inch is 139.99, and for the 14, it's 164.68. So you can get a curly honey blonde highlight wig, which is what I'm rocking. They also have this in a natural black. There's an ombre. So there's a few different colors that you can get, like this short curly bob, which is perfect for the summertime because you know it'll be hot. Today was a heat advisory for the next 3 days here. It's going to be 97 to 98. At one point, the temperature was peaking 100. Ideally, I don't want to put a wig on my head during this weather, but if I have to, it's going to be one of these. So as you can see, it came in a real cute defined curl, and I put a little bit of product in there. I used some water and a lot of body mousse. And I use this brush. I think I was gifted this brush by a hair company, but it's really cool. And I love this one for curly hair. I have these little notches. So while you brush with the bristles, you also have these little notches here, which I feel like when you run the hair through there, it just creates the perfect defined curl. So with that being said, I'm going to finish the video. I'm going to take the scarf off. Let's see. Let's see. I feel like it was too elevated. And I don't want to wet the whole wig down because then I feel like it just looks like a wet, like, I don't want that look. Okay, this is a little better. This is better. I love the volume right here. And as you can see, I'm fluffing that out, but it still has definition, which is what I wanted. Super cute curls. Now, I did this myself, but that is totally optional. You do not have to do that. And you can shift this a little further to the side if you prefer. But keep in mind, this is a 7x5, so you can also part it straight down the middle if you want like a middle part vibe. But this is what she looks like. Super cute, especially if you are a blonde girly. You know, I feel like I need some big earrings though, because this is not giving. Hold on. Super cute. I'm kind of regretting doing the baby hair a little bit. I feel like maybe I didn't need that. But that's an easy fix. See, I feel like I didn't need it, but then I feel like that part looks really weird with nothing there. So I'm going to just leave it, okay? But this is my glueless bob. Although I did use some lace spray, this can be worn completely glueless. I'm gonna turn around and show you the back. Don't do too much because you know I got braids back there. This is cute. It's a look. My back looks crazy, you know? I'm going to add this to my UNice hair playlist. I have tons of videos on that playlist showing you different wigs from UNice and different ways to style them. I say grab this one if you're into shorter lengths. This is a 7x5, so it's 5 to the back and 7 across. So you have 7 inches of lace in the front. So that gives you enough parting space to do a side part, middle part, left part. All links and details will be down below. Big thank you to UNice Hair for sponsoring another video. I'll see you beauties in the next one. Bye.